I have a budget of $19 and 3 days left to thrift my Halloween costume. Yesterday we bedazzled my dress in an attempt to make it look like a Cleo Pepita dress for my vintage Lady on the Moon Halloween costume. Today I want to thrift or DIY a crystal veil for my costume. Let's go to the thrift store. Hold up, do you see this? This is a vintage fascinator my aunt gave to me. And let's try to bedazzle it to match our inspiration. Oh, my supervisor is here. Here's what we're going to try to achieve. I want to line the faux crystals all around the outside of the veil. And then we're going to put some sparkled throughout the middle of it. Wait, I don't like the full lining. Wait, roll that clip again. Oop, this is taking me so long that my supervisor fell asleep. Sweet dreams, Bee. But this is the final product. I think I like it with only the half line of crystal. And remember, these are the thrifted shoes that it's going to go with. And this is the dress. Some of you liked, some said no sparkle, and some said to crop the dress. Love to know your thoughts with the headpiece and the shoe. And that means that I have $19 left. Thrift the supplies to make the entire backdrop, hopefully a sparkly purse, in a dream world, some sort of sparkly cape. I think we have to pray to the thrift gods for the sparkly cape because that is going to be a real challenge. Remember, my final goal is not only the costume but also the backdrop. Slightly unsure why I did this to myself, but we love a challenge. And we have $19 left to do it all. Make sure you follow along if you want to see how it turns out. Tell me what you're being for Halloween and wish me luck.